Hello guys, tunaingia Embu County. Embu County, Kensilva ndio hiyo. Haya, nichukue video ndio watu waone. It is not edited. Embu County. Ndio sisi hawa. Karibu tena. So tumetoka Embu County. Sasa tumeingia Tharaka Nithi County. So I want to show you, this is the Nithi River. Hebu angalia Tharaka Nithi. Guys, this is Offroad Explorers Kenya, and that is Tharaka Nithi County. This is now the famous Nithi Bridge. Nithi Bridge is here. When you are doing Nithi, you always hear of Nithi Bridge. It is one of the bridge that has a very, it's a black spot. So here there's no overtaking. So this is where you take caution. You don't do free gear. You gear up your vehicle and let it roll down pole pole. Put on brake. You can see. So that is the viewpoint of the Nithi Bridge. The Nithi Bridge. So this is where we have a black spot. You can see the continuous yellow line. You can see it. So you're not supposed to change lane there. The famous Nithi Bridge. You can see that is the dangerous Nithi Bridge. Remember, Offroad Explorers, we explore, we go around and explore and explore and explore. So guys, tupande mlima.